PromptSmith is an open source AI prompt management solution. You can think it's similar to feature flag service, such as FlagSmith. And honestly, PromptSmith's idea, the name PromptSmith, is inspired by FlagSmith as well. The difference is FlagSmith, usually this kind of feature flag service is used for manage the feature flags in your code base. PromptSmith is used for manage your AI prompt in your application. Especially nowadays, large language model and Gen AI is more and more popular. I had to think about this project since about 3 months ago, including the idea of validation, development, and testing. You can visit source code at this link. I will attach the link to the description of the video as well, and also the demo instance. There are a couple of features provided by PromptSmith. The first one, and it's the most important one, is the prompt management. We provide API, RESTful API. We provide Python SDK. We provide JavaScript, Node.js SDK as well. At the same time, it's about TypeScript. Help you to integrate with your own prompts very easily. So you don't need to hard code your prompts in your code base. And every time when you change it, you have to redeploy it. Now you just change and manage it, all your AI prompts in a centralized place. So the second thing I want to mention is PromptSmith is fully open source. It's under Apache 2.0 license. Basically, there's no restriction for you to modify and how to use it. For now, PromptSmith only supports self-host, which means you need to be familiar with Docker, and you can choose your own cloud provider or Kubernetes provider to host it. The big advantage of self-hosting is your data is always belong to you. No one else will be able to access it. Surely they will just increasing the learning curve, but so far, PromptSmith is focusing on self-host. Now I will just give you a short demonstration of how to use it and what the benefits PromptSmith can bring to you. So first thing we need to do is visit this URL to access the demo instance. Please note this demo instance is hosted publicly. So basically, all the data here you tap will be accessible for other people as well. And this data will be reset gradually, so it will not be persistent. Because this demo instance purpose is only for demonstration. If you want to use it, you should just host one on your cloud provider yourself, and you can manage your data more confidently. So now this will just show up the dashboard for the prompts. There are a couple of prompts here, and you can also manage your SDK here. You can create your SDK and delete that SDK. Now I have a example app which is named as NZ Text Chat NZ. For example, if I ask the AI chatbot I built, I say my annual income is about 10K. How much do I need to pay tax? This one is baked by this prompt in this prompt. So this is the prompt powering this part of logic. So you can say the AI will answer you. You need to pay 160 for your ACC levy. And because you are in the range of this, so you will get the lowest tax rate, which is 10.5. And for the tax part, you need to pay 1,050. So the total will be 1,210. Let's say now the New Zealand government decided to increase the tax rate for the people who earn less than $15,600 a year. Let's say they increase the tax rate from 10.50 to 10.5 to 15.5 and save it. And I didn't change any code. Let's ask the exact same question to this chatbot again. You say, okay, so I listen. So now, without changing, so AI gave me a reflected new response, which is tax rate is 15.5 now instead of 10.5. So this is basically why I want to build this, because I found this issue. Pretty sure a lot of people may have the similar or same issue. They manage the AI prompts in their code base. So each time when they need to make a change, they need to redeploy it. They need to release the code change, which is coupling the AI prompts and business logic. However, this two parts could be separated, and it should be separated. This is why I built PromptSmith. So you can manage your prompts in a centralized place. You don't need a coding background to manage it, and the developer can just focusing on the application itself. They don't need to worry about keep redeploying with the changes of the large language model AI prompts. So this is why this is basically why. And besides that, I created this small component recently, so you can basically simply copy your code sample